Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve an system of equations. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. And don't forget hit the bell button for notification. Let's start to solve x and y. Observe the equations. These two are cubic equations. Let's use some clever substitution technique. That is y equal to kx. K is a constant. If y equal to k, if you substitute in this first equation, then the first equation turns into 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x raised to the power of 2. Instead of y, we are going to write kx. So times kx plus y power 3. That means kx whole power 3. That is equal to 8. Now expand the x terms. That is x raised to the power of 2 times x raised to the power of, here is nothing is there, so you just write 1. So when bases are same, we can add the powers. So x raised to the power of 2 times x raised to the power of 1, we can write this as x raised to the power of 3. This 3k x raised to the power of 3 plus this kx whole raised to the power of 3, we can write this as k power 3 times x raised to the power of 3. That is equal to 8. Now we have here x raised to the power of 3, here x raised to the power of 3, here x raised to the power of 3. So x raised to the power of 3, take it as common. So then you are left with 4 plus 3k plus k power 3, that is equal to 8. Now substitute y equal to kx in this, then this equation turns into 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 2x raised to the power of 2 y. Instead of y, you are write kx plus x y power 2. Y power 2, we have write kx whole power 2. That is equal to 1. So now expand these terms. 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 2 is a constant, k is a constant. So write the 2k as constant. Then you have x raised to the power of 2, then x, it turns into x raised to the power of 3 plus k power 2, that is equal to 1. Now here x power 3, here x power 3, here x power 3. Just take it as common x power 3. Then you are left with constants 2 minus 2k plus k power 2, that is equal to 1. Consider this as equation 2. Do you observe? Here we are x power 3, we take it as common, and equation 1 also x power 3, take it as common. So what you have to do, divide 1 and 2 equations to get rid of this x. Then you are left only with k. Divide first equation over second equation. Our first equation is x raised to the power of 3, 4 plus 3k plus k power 3 over second equation is x raised to the power of 3, 2 minus 2k plus k power 2, and that is equal to 8 is second one. So here x power 3, here x power 3 gets cancelled. So you are left with only this. Now do cross multiplication. So then 4 plus 3k plus k power 3 times 1, that is equal to 8 times 2 minus 2k plus k power 2. When you expand this, you will get 16 minus 16k plus 8k power 2. Here we have 4 plus 3k plus k power 3. This right hand side, if you bring to left hand side, then it becomes minus 16 plus 16k minus 8k power 2, that is equal to 0. We have k power 3 highest power, and then we have k power 2 minus 8k power 2. Now we have plus 3k plus 16k, that is 19k, plus 4 minus 16, which gives minus 12, that is equal to 0. We need to find this cubic equation in terms of k. First, what you have to do, using heat and trial method, first we are going to find the first factor. Let's plug k equal to 1. 1 power 3 minus 8 times 1 power 2 plus 19 times 1 minus 12. So you have 1 minus 8 plus 19 minus 12, that is equal to 0. 19 plus 1, 20, that is plus 20. Minus 8 minus 12, that is minus 20. So 20 minus 20, which use 0. So k equal to 1 satisfied our equation. So we can say that k equal to 1 is one of the root of this cubic equation. Now using division method, for that take all coefficient of this k. K power 3, the coefficient is 1, so just write 1. K power 2, the coefficient is minus 8, just write minus 8. K coefficient is 19, that is plus 19. The constant is minus 12. So our first root is 1, so go with 1. This 1 as it is, bring it down, then multiply diagonally. So 1 times 1 is 1. So minus 8 plus 1 which gives minus 7. Then again multiply diagonally. 1 times minus 7 which gives minus 7. 19 minus 7 is 12. So 1 times 12 is 12. So this is 0. So that this is constant. This is k term. This is k power 2 coefficient. Using this division method, this cubic equation turns into quadratic equation. That is 1 times k power 2 minus 7 times k plus 12, that is equal to 0. So k power 2 minus 4k minus 3k plus 12, that is equal to 0. K minus 4 and k minus 3 are factors of this quadratic equation. And we have one more, that is k equal to 1, that is the first root. So after this we'll get k equal to 4 and k equal to 3. So these are the 3 roots. These are the k values. We consider y equal to kx. So k values are 1, 4, 3. So that means, so y equal to, if we substitute k equal to 1 here, so then we will get 1 times x, which is x. If you substitute k equal to 4, then you will get 4x. If you substitute k equal to 3, we will get y equal to 3x. This y equal to x, substitute in our original equation, that is 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x raised to the power of 2y plus y raised to the power of 3, that is equal to x. First we check, this is the first case. Instead of y, you have to plug x. So 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x raised to the power of 2. Instead of y, we have to plug x. So just write x plus, instead of y, you have to write x. So that is x power 3, that is equal to 8. X raised to the power of 2, x, which gives x raised to the power of 3. 8x raised to the power of 3, that is equal to 8. So x raised to the power of 3 equal to 1. That means x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, so y equal to x, that means y also 1. Our first x and y roots are 1, 1. Now we observe the second case, that is y equal to kx. So 4 x raised to the power of 3 plus 3 x raised to the power of 8. 3 times 4 is 12. X raised to the power of 2 times x, which gives x raised to the power of 3 plus this 4x whole raised to the power of 3. We can write this as 4 power 3 times x power 3. 4 power 3 is nothing but 64. That is equal to 8. So here x raised to the power of 3, here x raised to the power of 3, here x raised to the power of 3. So then you are left, if you take common, then you are left 4 plus 12 plus 64, that is equal to 8. So after adding, you will get 64 plus 4 is 68. 68 plus 12 is 80. X raised to the power of 3 equal to 8 over 80, which gives 1 over 10. X raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over 10. Take cube root on both sides, then you will get cube root of x raised to the power of 3, that is equal to cube root of 1 upon 10. So this cube root of 3, we can write this as whole power 1 by 3. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled, so you left only x. So x equal to 1 upon cube root of 10. So our y value is 4x. So that is equal to 4 times x value is 1 upon cube root of 10. So our second root is 1 upon cube root of 10, that is x. 4 upon cube root of 10, this is y value. So now we need to check in third case, that is y equal to 3x. So 4 x raised to the power of 3 plus 3 x raised to the power of 3 plus 27 x raised to the power of 3 that is equal to 8. So all terms have x raised to the power of 3. So x raised to the power of 3, take it as common. So then I left with 4. After adding these all, you will get 40. So 40 x raised to the power of 3. If you divide both sides by 40, then you will get x raised to the power of 3 equal to 1 over 5. Take cube root on both sides, then you will get, here cube root cube gets cancelled, so x equal to 1 upon cube root of 5. This is the x value. So now y value is y equal to 3x. So x is 1 over cube root of 5. So y value is 3 over cube root of 5. So our third root 1 over cube root of 5, that is x value, and y value is 3 over cube root of 5. So these are our 3 roots of this cubic equation. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.